नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है हिमानी शौखन, मैं हूं आपकी योगा एक्सपर्ट। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसऑर्डर अबाउट द डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटिस। डायबिटीज़ इज़ बेसिकली अ वेरी कॉमन मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर और आजकल इसके लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर ऑल्सो, जिसमें जो हमारे बॉडी में पेनक्रियाज होते हैं वो इंसुलिन का प्रोडक्शन करना कम कर देते हैं। तो टुडे आई एम हेयर टू गिव यू 5 इम्पॉर्टेंट योगा प्रैक्टिसेस जिनको करने से आप अपने डायबिटीज़ को काफ़ी हद तक कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द practice 5 important yoga practices we will do today for the diabetes. The first one is the Udar Shakti Vikasak Kriya. Udar Shakti Vikasak Kriya में आपको क्या करना है? You have to stand on your mat. It has to be empty stomach. Just remember, whenever you do the yoga practices, always make sure you have to be empty stomach and then you start your practices. First one is Udar Shakti Vikasak Kriya. For Udar Shakti Vikasak Kriya, we will start with it. First, always try to keep 3 to 4 inches apart your feet and then place your hands at your waist. Try to bring your both elbow back and then bend at least 60 to 90 degree. It's according to your capacity, as much as you can bend from, because in Udar Shakti Vikasa Kriya we can bend furthermore till 90 degree or 60 degree or 40 degree, like so. Here we are bending 60 degree and just focus on your abdominal area, like at your navel region. Then simply you have to do breathe in and breathe out. Yeah, this is very important practices. In Udar Shakti Vikasa Kriya, directly put pressure on your abdominal region. So you always start the first practice with the Udar Shakti Vikasa Kriya. You can reach it up to 50 times. Suppose if you are doing for the first round, अगर आप first round कर रहे हैं तो उसमें आप इस position में आकर आप आगे 60 degree bend होएंगे and you keep your neck upward and then focus here at your navel region and start doing. Like this. You have to bring your awareness at your navel region. Just make sure your abdominal muscle should go in and out, right? So this is very important practice. This is, we call it as Udar Shakti Vikasa Kriya. Now next one is we will go for the asana. The first asana is standing position. You do Trikonasana. So how you have to do the Trikonasana? First, always come to the side of your mat and then take 3 to 4 feet apart your other leg, right? Now turn your foot. Suppose if I am doing with the left side, so take your left foot outwards and then keep your body upright. बिल्कुल सीधा रखना है, straight. Fine, and contract your abdominal muscles in and keep your spine straight. Now दोनों हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाएं, breathe in करते हुए, right? If you are taking in this way, this is breathe in, this is breathe out. Again breathe in and slowly go down and breathe out, and then again look up towards the sky. Just rotate your neck completely. Yeah, in this way. You have to place your hands, your fingers at the back side of your foot. Yeah. Keep this position straight. Make sure your knee should be straight and hold this position at least for 30 seconds. And slowly breathe in and slowly come back to the normal position. So this is very important practice. This is, we call it as a Trikon Asana. Trikon Asana में आपको क्या करना है? Whenever you do this practice, always make sure if you are doing towards the left side, so you have to repeat it on other side as well. So now we are doing with the right side. In right side, take your right foot out. Keep your body in upright position. Fine. And then place your hands sideways. Now slowly breathe in. And this is breathe out. This is your shoulder level. Now don't take your hands up and don't take your hands down. It should be in the same level. Fine. And then lock your knees. Keep your body straight. Again breathe in. And slowly move down. This is the final position. And turn your neck. Make sure your knee, I repeat, make sure your knee should be straight. And hold the position at least for 30 seconds. Turn your neck completely. Or you can place your hand as well if you want to go beyond. Otherwise, hold this position. And then move up. Slowly breathe in. And then turn your foot. And then slowly come back. So this was the Trikonasana. Very important asana. If you do it in starting, like initially if you do it, you will find little difficulty to maintain this position. But make sure whenever you go down, so don't go forward. It has to be sideways. This is more important thing, right? So whenever you bend, so go it from the sideways. Fine. And this is the Trikonasana. Now the third important practice, yoga practice in diabetes, which is very much important, that we will do in sitting position. In sitting position, first you have to sit on your mat. This is Vakrasana. Now we are going to do Vakrasana. So in Vakrasana, first sit in this position. Try to keep your back straight as much as possible. Now take this leg till the till the knee region. Suppose अगर आप right leg bend कर रहे हैं तो left घुटने तक उसको लेके आइए and then stretch your arms, breathe in, and this is breathe out. Place your hands sideways and complete rotation of your spine. Look back. Right? So we will do it again. This is called the Vakrasana. Make sure your position, the back should be straight, your spine should be straight, and then breathe in, and this is breathe out and look back. Keep your body straight as much as possible and go beyond. And then look again straight and then take it up, breathe in, and this is relax. Now relax in relaxative pose. Relax yourself completely. Now we will do in the opposite side. There is one more variation in Vakrasana, how you have to do it, right? So the first one is, this is breathe in, bend your right leg and try to keep it in opposite side. You have to place it on opposite side and then breathe in. Now twist your hand and hold it from here, right? And try to take your hand back. Now this is also very good pose. This is a variation for the Vakrasana. And complete twist. Make sure your body should be straight and we'll go back. Now again move back and bring it back. Now next one is, do it opposite side, because it's very important when you do the Vakrasana or any asana, so you have to do it in opposite side as well. So This is the counter pose, we can say. Bend your left leg and place it here. Now this is breathe in, this is breathe out, and try to hold it and go back. And slowly come back, your left hand up and slowly go down. And now relax and relaxative pose. Now lie down and relax yourself completely. Now the fourth practice, which is very important, that is called Manduk Asana. So Manduk Asana, what we do here, Manduk Asana यानी फ्रॉग पोज. इसमें क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले आप वज्रासन में बैठेंगे, वज्रासन में, बट मेक श्योर योर back should be in upright position. Now place your hands, make a fist and place your hand here at your navel region. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. And look up in between your eyebrows. And normal breathing. Now again come back and relax. Now again I repeat the same practice. मंडूकासन. मंडूकासन में क्या करना है, आपको वज्रासन में बैठना है. You have to place your hands this way. Make a fist, keep it around your navel region and then breathe in and पूरा breathe out करते हुए make an hollow part inside your stomach, जिसको हम उड्डयन बंद भी कहते हैं. And then you go down and then at last look up. And then close your eyes and slowly come back and relax yourself completely. This is a very important asana, the Mandukasana. But make sure in every asana you have to follow some instructions, because when you go in Mandukasana forward, so you have to fully exhale out. So that with your both hands it should go in and it creates the intra-abdominal pressure inside, which helps to rejuvenate your pancreas cells. And the second important thing is, when you go forward, your spine should be straight, because most of the time what the people do, they just bend forward और क्या करते हैं, अपने बटक्स ऊपर की ओर उठा लेते हैं. आपको आगे की तरफ जाना है. And then make sure your spine should be straight and you have to look up. So this is the Mandukasana. Now next practice, the last practice, which is this is Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is very important practice, because whenever you do this practice, it creates the pressure inside your abdominal organs, including your pancreas, and helps to reactivate your pancreatic cells. So here we are going to perform the Kapalabhati. अब Kapalabhati के लिए आपको क्या करना है, either you sit in this position, this is we called as a Vajrasana, और किसी भी सुखद आसन में, यानी be seated in a comfortable seated posture. Like if we are sitting in Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Sit relaxed and then place your both hands in Jnana Mudra and start Kapalabhati. Keep your face relaxed. So this is the Kapalabhati. Make sure whenever you do this Kapalabhati, each stroke in every second, per stroke per second we have to do it, so that it creates the intra-abdominal pressure inside. So in Kapalabhati, it's basically the shine of your forehead, the Sanskrit meaning. But it's very helpful if you do it at least 3 times और एक सेशन में आप इसको कम से कम 60 स्ट्रोक्स ज़रूर करें, यानी 1 सेकेंड में 1 स्ट्रोक. सो आफ्टर कपालभाति व्हेन यू डू तो मेक श्योर इट्स अ फोर्सफुली एक्सेल आउट प्रैक्टिस. तो आप जब सांस पूरा बाहर निकालते हैं तो पेट की मांसपेशियां आपकी अंदर की ओर जाती हैं. सो कपालभाति इस प्रकार एक बार और देखिए. So this was the Kapalbhati. You have to do 3 rounds of Kapalbhati और हर राउंड में कम से कम कोशिश करिए कि आप 60 स्ट्रोक्स ज़रूर करें. अगर 60 स्ट्रोक्स को आप एक्सटेंड करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन डू इट टिल 120, यू कैन डू इट 150 स्ट्रोक्स ऑल्सो इन 1 राउंड. इट्स डू इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कैपेसिटी. सो हियर today we did in this session 5 important practices for the diabetes mellitus. The first one was उदर शक्ति विकास क्रिया, जिसमें हमने खड़े होके अपने एब्डोमिनल पे प्रेशर डाला, इनहेल एंड एक्सेल. That is very much important and very useful practice. The second one was the Trikonasana. Trikonasana, you have to do it on both sides and make sure your body should be straight, don't bend forward. And the third one is most important, the Vakrasana. The Vakrasana is you can say it's a pre-practice of the Ardha Matsendra Asana. So in Vakrasana, it's a twisting pose. And the fourth one is we did Mandukasana. So Mandukasana के बाद फिर हमने किया Kapalbhati. So these 5 important practices are very much important if you do it on a proper way. Now at the last but the not least, जब भी आप किसी सेशन को ख़त्म करते हैं तो ऑलवेज डू इट विद द शांति पाठ. सो हेयर वी विल एंड अप द सेशन विद द शांति पाठ. नाउ ब्रिंग योर बोथ हैंड्स इन प्रार्थना अवस्था. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.